Hello, everyone. My name's Uday, and I'll be presenting on how to create custom photo gifts today. So, what are photo gifts? There are several companies that allow you to make personalized gifts containing photos you have taken or selected, such as mugs, t-shirts, pillows, calendars, cards, etc. This can be a great idea for holiday gifts, for friends and family, or for other special occasions. You can order them online or have the items delivered directly to your home. Benefits of photo gifts. They are perfect for parties, birthdays, or other gift exchange events. You can share good memories with your loved ones, give them something unique, personal, and sentimental, and minimize your time in stores. All you really need is a good quality photo, and the company will do the rest of the work for you. So what can you make? You can make drinkware, canvas, blankets, pets, posters, and calendars with custom photos on them. You can also make playing cards, puzzles, and keychains, and wrapping paper, notepads, and mousepads with custom photos. So where to order photo gifts? One of the first options is Walmart Photo Center. They offer reasonable prices and fast delivery, many different products and customization options, and you don't have to go to the store if you don't want to. You can follow the whole process online and order it from there. Some of their products are pet collars, custom t-shirts, and emoji fleece blankets. Paraprix Photo, Shoppers Drug Mart Photo Center. So this is a Canadian company, and their ordering process is similar to that of Walmart's. You can order regular prints, photo books, home decor, calendars, cards, and much more. Due to current events, which is COVID-19 and the lockdown, the delays in production and delivery orders are possible. So Snapfish is a US e-commerce company. In addition to regular photo gifts, they also have a selection of winter-themed photo presents, including Christmas ornaments and socks, each going for approximately 20 USD. Vistaprint. So it is an online store that serves both Canadian and American citizens. You can create custom pens, puzzles, tote bags, mouse pads, and more fun items like wall calendars, holiday cards, canvas prints, and sheet stickers. Keep in mind that many other drugstore chains also have photo labs inside, so you may have the opportunity to create photo gifts with them. There are also many other related websites. Just type in personalized photo gifts into your search engine to see more options. Before you start creating a gift, note whether or not they can ship to your location, as some only work in the United States or only in Canada. Take into account that if you want the gift to be sent to you, place your order within time to spare and check the expected delivery date before payment to ensure it will arrive on time. Different websites and companies will have different delivery charges. Make sure the image you choose is of good quality and not blurry or too small. Otherwise, the image may come out pixelated when printed onto the object. So now it's time for the live demo, which is on the Walmart Photo Center. So to access Walmart Photo Center, you just open a new browser tab. So you just go to your search engine and type in Walmart Photo Center, and it should show up. So once you open the website, the first web page should look something like this. If you want to view the products they offer, you can scroll down and you see there are various categories here. Some of them are prints, boutiques, personalization, drinkware, canvas, blankets, pets, posters, calendars, photo books, plaques, cards, emojis, passport photos, and many more. So for example, we are gonna look at drinkware here. So if I click on drinkware, I can see the kind of products available. There are photo mugs, magic mugs, latte mugs, beer steins, and many more. So let's look at photo mugs, for example. So you can choose the color of the photo mug from up here. So right now, the default color chosen is white. If you want it in red, for example, you just click on that option. The same goes for black, blue, and yellow. So let's just go with white for now. So here, there are 3 different size mugs that Walmart offers. So you can choose the size according to your choice, and the size is written here before the name of each mug. So for example, I'm going to choose this one here, and it shows the estimated delivery date here, which is 8 to 12 business days. It also gives a short description of what the product offers. So it gives you the quantity of the mug, which is the volume, and it also tells you how many photos you can add to the mug. So in this variant, you can add up to 4 of your favorite photos. To begin customizing your mug, you hit the Start option. And if you haven't signed in yet, it will ask you to sign in. If you hit the sign up button, you can follow the steps and create your own account. So since I have not signed in, okay, so you can sign in and then you can just hit the start option again. And now it will allow you to continue to the steps of customizing your mug. So if you want to add photos, it offers you 3 options here. One is upload directly from your computer or your mobile device. The second is uploading from cloud. And the third is uploading from Walmart projects. So I'm just going to hit this upload option here. And okay, I'm just going to choose this random image here. So once you choose any image, and for this variant, you can choose up to 4, you can either continue or add more photos. Because I have chosen only 1 photo right now, it is going to allow me to add 3 more. And right now, I'm just going to hit the continue option. Then it asks you to choose a theme for the mug. So there are many different categories here. The category chosen here right now is baby. So you can change it to Canada, everyday, family, food, love, simple, sports, and wedding. So I'm just gonna pick something like, everyday. And there are these different themes here, like cherish these moments, where you have this message printed onto the cup along with these photos, and that will be printed in this manner. So I'm just going to choose this theme and click on the OK option that's at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now this is the photo I choose. So it's showing me that. So I can drag this photo around. So right now I can just move it to the center of the cup or this corner, however I like it. There are some more options down here like stickers. So you can add different stickers maybe. So there are many stickers here like an arrow, for example. You can just hold left click and drag it onto this layout. And since it's black in color, it's not really visible right now. Delete this for now. And if you want to preview what this will look like on the photo mug, you can hit the preview option on the top right of the screen. And it will show you a 3D model of what your cup's going to look like. And since I have chosen only 1 picture, it shows that. To look at it, you can just hold left click and rotate with your mouse. And if you are satisfied, you can hit the close option at the bottom right of the screen. And then hit add to cart option, which is at the top right of the screen. And once you hit the add to cart option, it gives you a confirmation message, which says, I have reviewed this project and approve adding it to cart. So you can select this checkbox and hit continue, or you can go back to review if you want to make any changes. Once you hit continue, you can give this project a name. So this is the default name. I'm just going to stay with that and hit add to cart. Now that it's added to cart, I can just go to checkout. So you can scroll down and hit the checkout option, and you can choose the delivery address, or you can add new address here. I don't have any addresses added, but you can choose where to deliver the product and it will be delivered there. So if you want to deliver it as a gift to a relative, you can choose their address, or if you want to deliver to you, you can just put your address in here. And after you choose an address, it will ask for a payment method. So maybe PayPal, credit card, and stuff like that. And once you go through all that process, you will get your cup in 8 to 12 business days, like it's specified. That's it for today's live demo. Thank you.